Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to my channel Let's Learn Easy English with me, Rihanna Owaisi. आज की वीडियो में मैं आपसे शेयर करने लगी हूँ प्रेजेंटेशन टॉपिक। जैसा कि आप सब जानते हैं कि हर प्रेजेंटेशन के स्टार्ट में कुछ इब्तिदाई मैनर्स होते हैं। सो मैंने यहाँ पे एक एग्जांपल पैराग्राफ लिख दिया है। होप दिस विल हेल्पफुल फॉर यू। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट आवर टुडेज टॉपिक, ड्रीम ऑफ जिन्ना। So what was the dream of Jinnah? His dream of Pakistan, a vision to create a state where everyone can enjoy their rights freely, live their culture and develop themselves without any secularism differences. His dream to make Pakistan a state where Muslims would be free to practice the teachings of their faith and prosper economically. But Qaid dreamed also to make Pakistan a nation state ensuring equal rights for everyone. As he addressed to the nation on Independence Day 1947, you are free. You are free to go to your temples. You are free to go to your mosque. May you belong to any religion, but you are a citizen and an equal citizen. Dear friends, our Qaid's dream to make Pakistan a state where justice and merit prevailed. He wanted the people of Pakistan to be united and to work towards making this new country as an exemplary state. As he said that my guiding principles will be justice and complete impartiality, and I am sure that with your support and cooperation I can look forward to see Pakistani becoming one of the greatest nations of the world. But unfortunately, this great leader had to leave the world before he could transform his dreams into practical steps. But now it's our duty as a nation to pay homage and honor to this great leader and make Pakistan a good exemplary state nationally and economically both. May Allah give us strength to pursue our leader dreams. Ameen. So that was my presentation on Dream of Jinnah. Thanks for your attention and time. Thank you. So that's it for today's video. If you didn't subscribe my channel, please subscribe my channel, like, share and comment my videos. Inshallah we will meet in our next video. Till then, take care. Allah Hafiz.